How many of you are at the moment building your teams? You're building your networks, you're building your teams. Okay? Is it easy or difficult? Who says easy? Who says difficult? Okay. So it's difficult. And do you know why it's difficult? Yes or no? Do you want to know? Okay. I'll show you a small demonstration on why you building your team or network and you find it difficult. Can I show you the demonstration? Okay. I need some volunteers. Go up. Go up and wait. She's in shock. Okay. Okay. Why are you clapping? You don't know what they're going to do. Okay. This is what you have to do. You have to stand close facing each other. Alternately, that means here, then here, then here. That means you face empty place. You face empty place. Understand? You face here. Okay. All the way. You face here. You face here. You face here. Move. You face here. Move. Face here. Move some, move some, move some. Face here. Move some. Face here. Okay. You got your position. Now, the process is very simple. I'm going to demonstrate it with crew chief over here. You have to put your fingers like this. Your thumbs close, your fingers like this. Okay? Not like this. Straight forward at your stomach level. Okay? And then I'm going to bring a pipe and put it on your fingers. And all you have to do in 3 minutes is to bring the pipe to the ground. Understood? Without your fingers leaving the pipe. None of your fingers can leave the pipe. So what you have to do, this is the pipe. Hold the mic for me. Like this. That means my finger cannot leave the pipe. Okay? Then when I say 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and we bring it down to the floor. That's all you have to do. Can? Within 3 minutes. Okay. There. Now I'm going to appoint. Come closer. Can everybody? One in, one out. Okay? You? Wait. Put down. You will be the coach. You coach them. All they have to do is bring the pipe down. Okay? So you walk around and coach them. You cannot touch the pipe. You can talk to them, but you cannot touch the pipe. Okay? Hey, bring down to your stomach. Down. Okay. Yeah, you can speak to them. You motivate them and you tell them what to do. Bring the pipe to the ground. Okay, this is your network, you are the upline. Okay? You are the upline and this is your network. The goal to max out is to bring the pipe to the ground. Okay? Understood? Okay. 1, 2, 3. Down, why are you taking it up? Wait. Okay. One more time. Bring it to your stomach level, your fingers. Stomach level. Okay. Upline. Coach your network, okay? Okay, crew chief. Okay, crew chief. Okay, when I say 1, 2, 3, bring the pipe to the ground, listen to your upline. 1, 2, 3. Now this is your network. To max out, the pipe has to reach the ground. But the pipe is not moving. It's so simple. Bring the pipe to the ground. I don't understand. It's not moving. Why? It's going up. Does this look like your network now? That's why you're not maxing out. It's going up. Upline, bring the pipe down. It's going up. What's going on? Down? Where's your upline? Upline, bring the pipe down, upline. I don't understand. You're supposed to bring the pipe down. Okay. Put the pipe on the ground. Put it on the ground. Leave it. Okay, leave it down then. Stand up. Leave it down and stand up. Okay. That was your network. This is your network. Yes? You want something to happen, but it never happens. True? All they had to do was to bring the pipe to the ground. Did you see me and crew chief do it? Shh. So now, what do you think is wrong? Shall we try again? With a brand new network. Okay? Same upline, but brand new network. So now I'm going to transform them all into a new network. Okay. New network. Upline, are you ready? Put your fingers up. Stomach level. Some stomach are higher than the others. Okay. That's the problem. Okay. Now, shh. All of you, close your eyes. Don't open your eyes at all. And close your mouth. Upline, bring the pipe to the ground. Wait. Stop. Put down. On the floor. What was the instructions? Close your eyes and close your mouth. But sometimes you have moronic downlines who don't listen to instructions. Yes or no? Yes or no? You tell your downlines, do this, and they do something else. And then you wonder why your network is not growing. What was the instruction?
Close your eyes.
And?
Shut up. Mouth.
What did you do?
Open my mouth.
Open your mouth and
And
open your eyes.
eyes.
Okay, try again. Last time. Okay. Everybody close your eyes and don't talk. Don't open your eyes at all. All your eyes closed? Okay, 1, 2, 3. Upline, bring the pipe down. Okay. As you can see, this side of the network is taking, listening and doing. Shut up, listen, do. And is going down. This side of the network, there are some downlines who don't want to listen to you. This downline of yours, with the eyes closed, is still talking. Down, down, why are you not going down? With his eyes closed, he can see why the pipe is not going down. That means his eyes is not closed. True? Okay, put the pipe down. Now, from the first time without your eyes closed and the second time with your eyes closed and your mouth shut, what was the difference?
More focused, as in we know what to do and we were just following instructions.
We make it to the ground. We make the task.
Just shut up, listen, do.
Communication gap is finished.
It wasn't messy. When we were talking, that was becoming more messy.
Follow your instructions and what we'll do.
Okay, thank you. Please sit down. Now, the first time, there were 20 uplines. And the pipe went up. Yes? The second time, there was one upline. And a network that was willing to listen to the upline, and the pipe started going down. This is exactly what is happening in your network. First of all, when you empty your cup, you don't empty your cup. You just say the words. Because if your cup was truly empty, what would you do? Close your eyes and close your mouth and listen to instructions. True? See, a network cannot have 20 uplines. If your network has 20 uplines, the pipe will go up. Your network will not grow. You understand? And Vijay said yesterday, to be a great leader, you first need to be a great follower. In order to lead, you need to follow first. So the difference between the first pipe and the second pipe is your network started listening to you. The network had one upline and followed instructions. And the pipe will go down. But if everybody was coaching, the pipe will never go down. Do you understand? Yes? But it's very difficult to do. What's difficult to do? What is difficult to do? Huh? Follow instructions. Because the tendency is you want to teach. I know this already. I know how to do it. But you saw how fast the pipe went up? But I thought you knew how to do it. The pipe should go down immediately. But how fast it went up until you couldn't reach it. So this is a very valuable lesson that you need to take back to your network. You need to build your network with one voice, not 20 voices.